Triggered. Nasdaq has been triggered on my side. Nasdaq has been triggered on my side. So, you see what it's doing. Nasdaq. Usually what I do is that, you see I'm in profit right now. I want to protect it, but it's very easy to protect it. Just to, just want to protect it. But you see, sometimes it can be very early. Then you run away with it, you put it away, this thing. Sometimes you protect it very early. But then Nasdaq, it wants you to protect it. If you don't protect it, hey, you'll feel the pain here. Power. Hey, it's about to rain. Power Nasdaq. Ooh la la. 30K. I just want 30,000 for this trade. 30,000, I'm fine. 30,000. 30. Let me add another sell here. 30K, then I stop. Hey, where is it going? Hey, Nasdaq, come down. Nasdaq, come down. You. Next to play next to my thing here. Hey. This thing, it's going to cancel them. Because I know it doesn't go down in a straight line. It doesn't go down on a straight line. You see, I was greedy already. I was supposed to take profit here, but because I'm looking for 30,000, look now. Because I'm waiting for 30,000, look what's happening. And then usually I'm supposed to have already taken profit, but I was waiting for 30,000. If you can check, I was at 27,000. Now I have to wait another 5 minutes, or I don't know how long it can take, how many minutes again, and I have to remove this thing because of now. I know this thing like spikes, but I don't recommend you guys to move your stop losses. Hey, me, I've got money to play with, you know. You just take your profit, don't play games like that. Then you'll get hurt. Let's see what happens. But usually I don't like it when it comes back to the zones. It must just continue down. But I know Nasdaq, it goes down, up, retest. It likes retest. It's something that has been happening already. You see here, down, up, down. Just like that. Now it's no more flexible. It was very flexible earlier on. Now it's no more flexible. But it's lying. I checked some fundamental data. It's going to collapse this thing. There's some fundamental data that I checked. Remember, I'm subscribed to Bloomberg, so I pay a lot of money per month just to hear some news that people don't know yet, that will be announced very soon. So with me, you're always in the future. You can't be behind. Hey. Haters, market makers, you need to pay me, market makers. I said 30K or nothing. Market makers. You must know that when I give you a sell stop or a buy stop, me, I'm already in with a lot of entries. But I give you those numbers because of I feel like those are the numbers that are good for you. Remember, some of you are using your last money, some of you are using your tuition money, some of you is a loan. So I can't make you risk your money. Some people say, why do you give us when you're already in? I'm already in because I'm willing to lose and I'm willing to, see the market turn against me. You can't see the market turn against you. Hence, I have to give you a good level to enter the market so that you are sure that I know, you know what, you will win. I am sure that you will win. You don't know if you'll win or not, but I am sure that you will win. So let's just see what's going to happen here. The sell stop that I gave you has been triggered. We're about to see a movie now. We're about to see a movie. We're about to see a movie. You know what is a movie? Yeah, Hollywood movie. Price must get to at least this level. Let me show you. Here. Why must it get here? This is not thumb. I told you that I'm not guessing. It must get here because the price was already here. You understand? Price must get here because it was already here. I feel like if it's already here, the chances of it coming here are more. I don't know if you're hearing me. I feel like for it to get here, the chances of it getting here are more because price was already here. This is the next zone. Remember, price moves in zones. Price does not move in, price moves in zones. It goes from one zone to this zone. It goes from this zone to where? This zone. Just like that. Just like that. So everything is a zone to zone. This is called zone to zone trading. It is not something that I even think about. Like maybe I'm not guessing here. It's just something that's going to happen like that. It's a zone to zone trading. Now the fluctuations are the one that are scaring you. When you see the fluctuations in the market, you get scared. But you get scared because you don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. That's why you get scared. But if you know what you are doing, you understand that the market moves in zones, zone to zone. Even if it can come here like, I think it's going up, what's happening now? No, it moves in zone. That is why sometimes you can even take profit earlier. Because of you are scared with these things. You see these things, they scare you. Because of for you don't understand that the market goes in zones. So you're like, hey, let me close here. But if you don't know what you are doing, yes, you must close here. Me, because I'm like, no, this is nonsense. Why is it going there? It must come here. Then I wait. Watch what will happen. Watch what will happen. I don't want to comment now. Let's keep quiet. I want to see you guys posting this video on YouTube there. Showing people that say Refoin does not know anything. He doesn't know how to trade. I have 2 books under my name. There is The Art of Trading, and there is the other one that is coming soon. That is dangerous. This one is even dangerous because here we are exposing a lot of secrets now. Exactly the things that I'm telling you, you'll find them there. You understand what I'm saying? So let's see what will happen here. What did I say? Zone to zone. Zone to zone. What did I say? What did I say? Let's see how much your mentor has made here. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Still going down, still going down, still going down, still going down, still going down. But hi, let me just say I'm done for the day. Let me hear the sound.